problem. So then davening. It is generally forbidden for one to be busy with the needs or to travel before the davening in the morning. This refers to work that requires considerable amount of time and or effort. If it is quick, simple action, it is permitted. Although there are exceptions to the halacha, poskim recommend that whenever one needs to perform a task or travel, before davening, she should first recite Birchas HaTorah. Therefore, if she wants to shower upon awakening in the morning, although some poskim permit it even before the davening, it is preferable to recite Birchas HaTorah and then shower. So it's very interesting. So we said, Shulchan Aruch said, so before we tend into our own needs, our own business needs, right? So we have to talk to Hashem, right? So of course for a woman it's much more lenient, right? And it's proper, of course it's proper to pray before she leaves for work, but sometimes she does not have time, right? So at least they say try to say Birchas HaTorah. And wow, why is Birchas HaTorah? So in Birchas HaTorah, you say blessing on the Torah, and right away you learn from what is it? From Mishnah, from a Talmud, from a written Torah. So you already have some merits, right? And they say even before, if she wants to take a shower before in the morning, so even before the shower, so shower is for personal benefit, right? So even before that, try to say Birchas HaTorah, so it takes 1 minute, maybe less than 1 minute. Most people know it by heart, so it's, I don't know how many seconds it is, but under 1 minute, I would say. Right? And then take care of your needs. Okay, and then, as we said, women can daven much later. For men, it's not, this thing is not going to fly. Okay.